Yo, what's good, language nerds? Welcome back. Let me ask you something honest. Are you preparing for IELTS speaking but still feeling like you're losing marks for no clear reason? You practice every day, you know vocabulary, but when you sit in front of the examiner, something goes wrong. Today I'm going to show you exactly where most students lose marks and what you should do instead. Part 1. Stop giving dead answers. Most students kill their score in Part 1 by giving very short answers. Question: do you like your hometown? Answer: yes. That's a dead answer.
Nope.
Don't do that. Yes, I do. I've lived there my whole life, and I really like how peaceful it is. The food is also amazing. Simple, natural, complete. That's how you secure easy marks in Part 1. Part 2, the 2-minute problem. This is where most students panic. You get a cue card and 1 minute to prepare. Then you have to speak for up to 2 minutes. Here is where people lose marks. They write full sentences while preparing, or they run out of ideas and freeze.
Always give a personal example. Or tell a small story. End with how you feel about it. Keep talking until the examiner stops you. Never go silent.
I remember when I had to learn a completely new software. It was really difficult at first and I felt overwhelmed. But I practiced every single day until I finally mastered. Now I feel incredibly proud of myself and very confident about it. Public speaking. Prepare, practice, and tell stories. I was once terrified before a speech, but a simple story saved me. Now I love sharing ideas. Today, let's discuss delivering effective presentations. First, prepare thoroughly with short keywords, and always smile to connect with your audience. Part 3 checks if you can discuss ideas. Weak students give short opinions. Instead, use this simple pattern: opinion, reason, and example. Use this pattern every single time. In my opinion, yes, technology has made communication much easier. One reason is that we can instantly video call people in other countries. For example, I talk to my relatives abroad almost every week now. This structure makes you sound organized and confident. Quick, high-impact tips. Fluency is more important than perfect grammar. Don't memorize full answers. Practice Part 2 with a timer every single day. Most students don't have a strategy problem. They have a consistency problem. If you start applying even 2 of these strategies, you will sound clearer and more confident in your next practice session. Now tell me in the comments, which part do you struggle with the most right now? A, Part 1, B, Part 2, C, Part 3, D, overall confidence. Just reply with A, B, C, or D. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe to Language Nerds India for more practical IELTS and spoken English content. Keep practicing. You're closer than you think.